Hi, my name's Morgan Walton, and this is my introduction for cultural diversity. So a little about where I live and my life. I live in Lyons, Kansas. I am a Sterling College graduate, which is just 8 miles south of Lyons. I'm a second grade teacher. I'm ESL certified. I got my certification from Kansas State University in the May of 2018. I'm a mom to an almost 2-year-old and a wife of a lineman. I'm very proud of my family and where we come from. Some of my hobbies involve being with my family. Teaching is obviously a hobby of mine, spending time with my students, and Chiefs football. We are diehard Chiefs fans, and we spend a lot of our time rooting for the Chiefs. So a few of these pictures, why I picked these pictures. This one in the corner is of my daughter, and she's in a Chiefs jersey, of course. Got to support Patrick Mahomes. And she's almost 2. This is a family picture of us from almost a year ago. This is a picture of my husband doing line work. I'm very proud of being a line wife, and I take pride in that he works hard every day for his family. And right here, this is just a picture of my daughter and I. So a little bit about my family and our ancestors. My family descends from Germany and England. Majority of our family is from Germany. A few of my grandparents or great-grandparents from my mother's side are from England. Down here is a picture of my father and I. His grandparents came straight from Germany. And his great-grandfather and great-grandmother came one from Germany and the other from England. Up in the other pictures, a picture of my sister and I and our children. My daughter's in the stroller. This was last fall when we went to the pumpkin patch. We are, majority German, and we are very proud of our heritage. My husband's family is fully from Germany on his mother's side, and they have a lot of traditions that as my family does not. And his father's family, we are not 100% sure where his family descends from due to some missing records, but we're hoping to find that out soon. So a few customs and traditions. The only custom or tradition that we have is just passing down a love of traveling and adventure. We do not do many typical traditional things from my heritage and my family. We seem to have lost those traditions over time. My husband's family, his mother's side, they still celebrate around Christmas time by making pepper nuts straight from their German heritage. They also make Zwieback, which is a type of bread. So I've enjoyed learning about those traditions as well. Just a few about these pictures. We have a picture down here. This is from when I actually went to Germany in high school for a school trip. We went to Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. That was an amazing trip, and I really hope to go back someday. It was awesome to see where my ancestors came from. The picture in the middle is of my great uncle when he worked for the CIA. This is from when he was in Moscow, Russia. He was an amazing man who really passed down that love of traveling to me, knowing all the places that he had been, and we always received souvenirs when he got back, and it was always so exciting to hear about his travels, and he's really the one that passed down that love of traveling for me. And this picture up here is my now husband, again when we were in high school and we went on our trip. He's standing in front of Neuschwanstein Castle. So this is a little bit about me, my heritage, and our somewhat traditions. I look forward to learning about everyone in this course.